Hi, my name is Ariana, and I'm a peer mentor with the First Year Experience program. In this video, I'm going to show you some helpful tools that Zoom has. So let's get started. First, I'm going to show you how to rename your profile. So your name is right down here at the corner. Same, or will show up in the middle if your screen is black. And if you want to rename your profile, you can just go up to this corner, click on the three dots, select rename, and change your name or add something to it. I'll add my preferred pronouns. You can choose to keep this name for any future meetings that you have, or you can choose to go back to whatever it was before. Hit OK, and it'll change. Okay, next we're going to do how to share your screen and optimize the video and sound. So you go down to your menu bar at the bottom, hit share screen, you'll get this window, and then you'll get options to share your entire screen or to share a specific window. But you'll want to make sure that these two buttons are checked. If they're not, it won't be optimized, and you may have trouble with sound or quality of the video that you were showing. So make sure those are clicked. And just hit share. I usually stick with whole screen because it's easier, but you can do that with your preference. And then you can share whatever you want. As in, I'm sharing currently a Google slide right now. As you can see on Google. So present, and that's how you can share your screen. And then from here, you can put on closed captions. Now this is a feature on Google Slides, and it will only work if you are using the browser Chrome. It won't work if you use Firefox or Explorer or any other one. It's specifically for Chrome. So I'm currently in Chrome right now. And then you will get this menu bar here with Google Slides when you're presenting. You just hit close captions. And then it will record what you are saying down at the bottom. Now this little arrow on the side here, you can change size, position, whether you want it top or bottom, whichever works. And then sizes, of course. So that's how that works. So from here, I want to point out that you have the same controls right here at the top or wherever you want to move it to. You can also move it to the bottom or to the side. You have the same controls here as you do when you are not screen sharing. So you can still do everything the same way. But for the next steps, I'm going to show you them not in screen share. Okay. So the next step we're going to show is monitoring chat. So if you go down to this button right here, chat, down on your spacebar, it'll pop up on the side. This is the chat right here. There's nothing currently in there, but there might be something like that. It's to everyone, it'll say who it's from. You can also see this chat while you are screen sharing, But if you are sharing your entire screen, if you open chat, everyone will also be able to see the chat and whatever is written in there. So just be aware of that, especially if you get private chats for any reason. You can private chat people. There is one other person in this meeting, it's my phone. Say I want to private chat them, click on their name from here. It'll say private, so only they'll be able to see it, only them and you. And you can type something in there. And you can see it is private. And you can private chat with whoever is in the meeting. Yeah. Okay. Next, we are going to be talking about making someone a co-host. So we can just X this. There we go. So when making someone a co-host, you'll go to participants. So you can select your person. And there's only 2 other people in this meeting, so I will select the other person in this meeting. Now, you'll go to the person, put your cursor over them, and hit more. And then it'll give you a lot of options. You can make someone co-host is one of yours. You'll say yes, and then their status will change saying that they are co-host. So that's that one. Next, we're going to talk about muting a participant. So for my device right here, we're going to put my device back onto the student level, I suppose. Not a co-host and not a host, so we're going to withdraw that. So this will be basic participant, probably students, same controls. So how do you mute them if they're unmuted? Okay, so our participant is unmuted, and as you can see, I'm getting feedback because it is in the same room as me. So if someone's talking or people are talking in the background and it's unmuted and you need to mute them so you can hear yourself better, like now, just go over here and it'll give you the mute option if they are unmuted. Hit that and they're muted. Definitely helps a lot. Okay, and then removing participants. So if for any reason you need to remove a participant, you can. Again, you'll hit participants either in screen share or not in screen share, and it'll give you this list again. You will go over the person that you want to remove, hit more, and then you have an option to put in the waiting room if there is a waiting room. If that has been created, you can put them in the waiting room, or you can hit remove. So we're gonna hit in the waiting room just to show you that option. So as you can see, I am now the only one in the meeting, and there is now a waiting room. So I can readmit this person. There we go. And now we can remove the other person from the meeting. So more, remove. Hit remove. And we have removed that person from the meeting. So, hope this helped. And thanks for watching. Bye.